My name is Fahad. For a long time, I worried about everything. I worried about my future. I worried about my studies. I worried about what others thought about me. Even small things made me anxious. If someone did not reply to my message, I started thinking too much. If I made a small mistake, I replayed it again and again. My mind never felt calm. Even at night when I tried to sleep, my thoughts kept moving. What if I fail? What if I make the wrong decision? What if things don't go as planned? Because of this, I often felt tired. One evening, I visited my uncle. He lived in a quiet area outside the city. After dinner, we went for a short walk. The night was calm. The sky was full of stars. We walked slowly. After a few minutes, he asked, "You look lost in thought. What's on your mind?" I told him everything. I told him about my worries, my fears, and my constant overthinking. He listened quietly. Then he picked up a small stone and threw it into a nearby pond. The water moved in circles. He said, "Your mind is like this water. When you throw too many worries into it, it becomes disturbed. But if you stop throwing stones, the water becomes calm again." I watched the water slowly settle. His words made me think deeply. I realized something important. Most of my worries were not real. They were just thoughts about the future. The next day, I tried something new. Whenever I started worrying, I asked myself, "Is this happening right now?" If the answer was no, I reminded myself to focus on the present. At first, it was difficult. My mind still returned to worry, but slowly, I learned to let go. I started focusing on what I could control, studying regularly, practicing English, taking small steps. Days passed. My mind became calmer. I felt more focused. I felt more relaxed. Because I stopped worrying about everything, I realized something simple. Worrying does not solve problems. Action does. Now, when worry appears, I take a deep breath. I focus on the present moment, because peace comes when you stop worrying about things you cannot control. Final thought. Let go of constant worry. Focus on what you can do today. Peace grows when you calm your mind. Ending line. Keep learning English. Keep staying calm. And always remember, less worry creates more clarity.